Welcome along to our deeper look into the recent changes for reporting within the Uboss portal. I'm Ed Thrussell, Senior Product Manager at Manila IP.
And I'm Chris Tucker, Partner Success Manager. As you may all be aware, we are currently making changes to Uboss call center reports.
The report data source has been changed, and to ensure that the new reports match the older ones, then we need to update the Uboss reports accordingly. With that said, come and check out what's new.
Let's take a look at the changes to the agent summary report. We have added filters to classify calls as short or long based on user-defined thresholds. Columns for these durations have been added to the report. There is now an option on how unavailable codes can be viewed. You can select either split or total, and then the report will either show the total number of unavailable codes, or if split is chosen, then a column will show a total of each code that was used.
Our next change is for scheduled agent activity details reports. To ensure data accuracy and that the reports run at the correct recurrence times, there are now some changes that allow the user to select what data should be included in the report. For example, with a report that is set to run weekly, you can specify whether to include all data since the last report or all data from the last X number of weeks. This is available over all options: hourly, daily, weekly and monthly. There is also the option when setting the report up to say when the recurrence will start. The default is set to now, and when the scheduled report is saved, it will start at that point. Or set it to future to allow you to define an exact date for the schedule to start.
For the call center summary report, a new search option for data interval has been introduced. This allows the report to be based on various time intervals. If the selected time period for the report is less than 24 hours, then you will be offered the options of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and an hour. If the selected time period is more than 24 hours, then the option in the data interval will only allow 1 hour and 1 day. If a data interval is selected, there will be an interval column added to the report, breaking the data down into the interval selected.
For the same report, there is also a new filter, Answer SLA in Seconds, to show SLA values and their corresponding percentages. This will add 2 more columns to the call center summary report, Answered in SLA and Answered in SLA percentage. These statistics are critical for the majority of call center customers that need to ensure they are working to and meeting their SLAs for their customers.
Lastly, for the call center summary report, 2 further columns have been added. Total abandon time, which shows the total time of queue duration of calls that were abandoned before answer and abandoned while listening to the entrance message. And secondly, average abandon time, which is the sum of the total abandon time divided by the total abandoned calls. Much like the SLAs, these are key stats for call center reporting. There are other changes to some of the column names for the reports mentioned above, and full details can be found in the release log within the Uboss portal.
That is all for this video. We hope that you have found the information useful. Please reach out to our Partner Success team if you need any further clarification on what we have discussed, and we'll see you next time.